Hi friends, welcome to Sweet Bites. Today we'll taste yummy fruits and sweet vegetables with songs, colors, and smiles. Are you ready? Let's sing, taste, and smile together. Don't forget to tap the like button and subscribe for more fun songs. Apple, apple, sweet and red. Take a little bite, yum in my head. Crunchy, munchy, juicy too. Apple, apple, I love you. Red or green or golden bright, an apple makes my snack time right. Slice it up, share one for two. A crunchy bite for me and you. Banana, banana, yellow and sweet. Peel it, bite it, what a treat. Soft and yummy, smooth and bright. Banana, banana, take a bite. On my cereal or in a shake, banana makes my morning great. Mash it, slice it, dance and play. Healthy smiles all through the day. Mango magic, golden glow. Sweet like sunshine, nice and slow. Lick the juice from every drip. Mango, mango, take a sip. Big summer fruit, soft and sweet. Mango makes my day complete. Slice it, cube it, dip and share. Tropical taste is everywhere. Strawberry, strawberry, tiny and red. Sweet little seeds on your head. Berry, berry, bright and mild. Strawberry, the smiley child. On my pancakes or in my jam, strawberries are the best I am. Pick them gently one by one, we'll have strawberry giggles fun. Pear, pear, soft and sweet, juice so gentle, a tasty treat. Bite a pear with a happy grin. Pear, pear, let the fun begin. Green or yellow, soft inside, perfect for a snack or picnic ride. Share a pear with one or two, sweet and mellow, made for you. Grapes, grapes in a bunch, pop them quickly, munch, munch, munch. Purple, green, tiny and sweet, grapes are candies that can't be beat. Freeze them for a chilly crunch or pack them in my little lunch. Roll them, pop them, sing hooray. Grape parade, hip hip yay. Watermelon, red and cool, summer snack beside the pool. Seeds go splish and juice goes drip. Watermelon, take a sip. Big green rind and red inside. Share a slice and take a ride. Sweet and juicy, big and round. Watermelon fun is always found. Carrot, carrot, orange bright. Crunchy sticks that feel just right. Sweet and crisp from ground to plate. Carrot crunch, I just can't wait. In a salad or on my stew, carrots bring the crunch to you. Bunny hops and little munch. Carrot snack, a happy lunch. Sweet potato, warm and sweet. Tasty treat that can't be beat. Bake or mash or slice so thin. Sweet potato, let's dig in. Orange and cozy, full of cheer. Perfect snack for any year. Top with a smile, cinnamon too. Sweet potato, yum for you. Peas, peas, little green balls. Pop them gently, fun for all. Sweet little peas in a tiny pod. Peas, peas, give a nod. From the pod, they jump and play. On my fork they dance all day. Soft and sweet, round and bright. Peas make dinner feel so right. Corn on the cob, golden and bright. Butter it up what a sight! Sweet little kernels, row by row, corn on the cob, here we go. Grill it, boil it, roast in sun, corn makes every meal so fun. Hold it tight and take a bite, golden bursts a tasty light. Cherry, cherry, little and sweet, twin on a stem, a tiny treat. Red and shiny, taste so clear, cherry cheer, clap and cheer. Top my cake or eat one by one, cherries sparkle like the sun. Share a pear with someone near, cherry cheer brings lots of cheer. Yay, we tasted so many sweet fruits and veggies today. Which one was your favorite? Tell us in the comments if you love the song.